Hi everyone, welcome back to ITPK. In today's video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 step by step. We will start downloading the latest Windows 11 ISO directly from the Microsoft official website. Then I will show you how to create USB bootable without any extra software. Please note that this method will work for each Windows version, but in this video I will specifically show you Windows 11 Pro installation. Before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK and let's get started. First of all, let's go ahead and download Windows 11 official. Let's go to download Windows 11, and here we are at the official page to download Windows 11. So I will mention this link in the video description, so don't worry about that. Now here we got the few options: Windows 11 installation assistant, create Windows 11 installation media, but I specifically want to go to download Windows 11 disk image ISO file. Let's go here, and I want to select Windows 11 multi-edition ISO for 64-bit devices. Click on confirm. Now here let's go ahead and choose our required language. Again, click on confirm. Now here just click on 64-bit download, specify the location for your Windows ISO download, and click on save. Please note that this ISO contains all of the Windows edition, so you don't need to worry about the edition. And it takes some time to download the Windows 11 ISO into your computer, and this depends upon your internet speed. So let me stop the video. Once it's downloaded, I will start the video again. Here I got the Windows 11 multi-edition ISO file downloaded in my download folder. In the next step, let me connect my USB and we will make this USB bootable. Just go ahead and type CMD in your start menu, right click on it and run as administrator. Click yes. So we are not going to use any third-party software to make our USB bootable. And also make sure your USB is formatted and doesn't have any important data into it. Now here type disk part. This will open the disk part tool. Next type list space disk, press enter. This will list all the disks connected to your computer. Here, the first one is my hard disk that is connected to my laptop, and the second one I have USB drive that is 14 gigs. So in the next command, we want to select our disk 1, that is our USB. Be careful here to select your correct disk. Press enter. Disk 1 is now selected disk. Now in the next quick command, type clean and press enter. This will wipe or clean your USB. Now next type create partition primary and then press enter. This will make our USB partition as a primary partition. Let's type select partition 1. Okay, now our partition 1 is selected. Now here type format fs is equal to ntfs space quick. Now this will quickly format my USB using NTFS system. Perfect. Now let type assign, that will assign the letter to our USB, and then type exit. That's fine. Now right click on the ISO and then go to the first option, that is mount. You will get all Windows 11 files here. Now what we want to select them all, copy, we want to go back the USB and right click here and then paste the files. Now files are copied. Let me disconnect the USB. Let me reconnect it. Let's go to File Explorer and you could see our USB is now bootable and it's showing bootable icon over it. If we go to this PC and here are the mounted Windows file. If we open it, we have copied all of this file to our USB without using any third-party software. Now let's go to the laptop where I want to install Windows 11. I have connected my USB here. It's showing perfectly. Let's go ahead and restart it. Okay, now press any key to start the installation. I'm okay with the language and time and currency format here. Let's click next. That's fine. I want to keep it US. Here, I would like to install Windows 11 and I agree with everything will be deleted including files, apps and settings from the C drive of my PC. Let's click next. For the time being, I don't have a product key. That's fine. Now, this is the main step where we have to choose Windows 11 Pro. If you want to install any other version of Windows, you could just go ahead and set it according to your requirement. Let's click Next, accept the agreement. Okay, now this is the most critical step, so be careful on this step. Just make sure you have installed Windows on your correct C drive. If I came to disk 0 partition 4, this is allowing me to click on the next button here. If I go to any other partition, the next button is grayed out. So let me go ahead, select my C drive so that my all data will still be there in other drives. Let's click next. Now this will start the installation of Windows 11 Pro on my PC. That's fine. Click on install and the process started. Now this will take few minutes to install Windows 11 and also will be restarting several times during this process. So be patient. And here you go. Let's choose the country region. Click yes. Yeah, fine. We want to keep this keyboard layout. Again, click yes. Now let's click the skip. At this step, your Windows will check for few updates. So I will recommend you don't skip that and install all of the required updates wherever you will be asked. Okay, now at this step, if you want to name your device ABC anything, you could just go ahead and name it. If you don't want, you could name it later on as well. Renaming a device will restart it once more. So let's skip it for now. Now here is the interesting part about Windows 11 Pro installation. How would you like to set up this device? Either for personal use or for work or school. I want to select work or school. If you go for personal use, you have to set up your Microsoft email account. For now, I only want to set up my local account, not the cloud email account. Let's click next. At this point, just go ahead and click on sign in option and then select domain join instead. Now here you can type the username for your account and then click next. Let's type the password. Again, click next and now confirm the password. Next. Just quickly set up security questions. At this point, you could select these quick options. I want to turn off the location. I want to turn off the find my device and accept it. Now your PC will be going to check for updates and install them if there are any latest updates required. It's recommended to install all the updates. So let me pause the video and I will start it again when all the updates are installed. And after Windows finishes installing updates, you will see the welcome screens and then the login screen. Once you are on the desktop, you can set up your Microsoft account if you want to use features like OneDrive, syncing, and App Store access. Just open up the settings, go to account, and then click on sign in. Enter your email address and complete the setup, and your Windows 11 Pro device will be linked to your Microsoft account. So that's it about today's video. Your Windows Pro installation is complete. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.